Hello foodies, welcome back to A3M Kitchen. Today I've got something special for you. Green chili chicken with no corn flour. Simple, homely and packed with flavors. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Let's cook. Here's what we need for this flavor bomb. 1 kg chicken, half handful of mint or pudina leaves, 1 handful of coriander leaves, 12 green chilies. Yes, 12. Don't panic yet. 3 medium-sized onions, 1 inch ginger, 1 bulb garlic, 3 to 4 strands of curry leaves, half a cup of curd, half a lemon-sized tamarind, and of course the spice squad, 1 teaspoon mustard and jeera, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, and salt to taste. That's it, nothing fancy, but the flavor is gonna slap. Let's grind up the green magic masala. 7 green chilies, a handful of coriander and mint, the garlic bulb, a piece of ginger, 1 onion, the tamarind, and salt. Now blend all this till it's smoother than your excuses for skipping the gym. Now coat the chicken with this green paste. Add half a cup of curd, sprinkle some salt, and give it a good mix. Now let it sit for 30 minutes. Basically a spa treatment for your chicken before it gets roasted. Heat a little oil in your pan, add mustard seeds and jeera, listen to them pop like they are at a New Year's party. Toss in 2 chopped onions, a pinch of rock salt, fry till they change color. Then throw in the remaining 5 sliced green chilies with curry leaves. Your kitchen should smell like a spice heaven by now. It's time for the star of the show. Add the marinated chicken to the pan. Mix well on high flame for about 2 minutes. The chicken will slowly start cooking. At this time, reduce the flame to medium. Close the pan with the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. The aroma, it's going to test your patience. Now after 10 minutes, open the lid, give it a good stir. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a pinch of salt again. Mix everything well and let it cook on medium flame for another 10 to 12 minutes. And boom! Fiery green masala packed chili chicken ready to knock your taste buds out. And that's it, folks. No corn flour, no deep frying, just pure desi style chili chicken goodness. Try it, and if it makes you sweat, don't blame me. Blame the chilies. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your foodie gang, and don't forget to subscribe to A3M Kitchen for more spicy adventures. See you next time. Until then, take care, ta-da, bye-bye.